to review their roles and responsibilities, expectations. Hopefully you've covered them before they start, but it's good just to sit down and have them go over what they're expected to do. And also cover the handbook that includes who we are, what we do, and what we stand for, so they know more about either your company, your group, or your project. And then also provide any kind of training they may need. There may be something on the policies or something regarding the project or even the company, and give them support. Just make sure they understand. I know sometimes whether it's been a new company that I'm working with, a new client, a group, or even a project, sometimes just the new information and all the new names and faces can be overwhelming. So providing that support is very special too. And then number 7, give them a plan. Everybody needs a plan that makes them feel secure and confident about what they're supposed to do. And then continue to follow up and just ask them, hey, how's it going? Just to make sure they feel comfortable, they understand where to be and what they're supposed to do. So these are a few quick reminders and tips, and if you need additional information on how to welcome your new team member, then sign up for our software now at projectmanager.com.